Good morning! So today is the second day here in Kuala Lumpur and we are on the way to our first conference na gaganapin sa may Petaling Jaya, Malaysia. Doon po kami pupunta today. Kaya kita-kits tayo sa my Dream Center. Doon po yung venue. Ayan guys, kung nakikita nyo, napakaganda ng daan. Mapuno siya, nakaka-refresh, tignan. Kahit city siya, madaming puno and napakaganda ng tanawin. Unlike in the Philippines, kapag city, walang mga puno, puro building. Dito, balance, mapuno, may building, ganun. So, hindi siya mainit.
God.
So, fast forward, ayan, malapit na kami sa venue. So, tara guys! So, andito na kami sa loob. It's about to start na ang conference. Siyempre, magsisimula yan sa praise and worship. So, napakasaya dito guys. Dito sa iTeams Philippines family. Kaya, kung gusto nyong matry, DM nyo lang ako sa Facebook account ko. Talagang marerefresh ka. Marami kang matututunan dito. Actually, first day pa lang naman siya. There's a football field inside there! Hindi na ako nakapag-update guys. Tatapos na nga pala yung first conference day namin and we are now outside looking for a place to go for our dinner time. May nakita kaming McDo pero hindi kami kakain dyan. So, naghahanap kami ng place. At eto nga, nakita namin tong Plaza 33. So, yun guys, after namin kumain, we are heading to our hotel. So, nagbook na kami ng Grab para makauwi na kami ng maaga at makapag-rest na rin kami para for tomorrow again is makapag-prepare kami ng maaga. So, hindi na ako gaanong nag-video kasi alam niyo naman guys, medyo excited akong i-feel yung kapaligiran. It's my first time here in Malaysia, so I'm enjoying every minute of it.
Is this your
I
so you earn?
already 13 years ready this car.
Ikaw ang model ng swimming pool. So ayun, third day na namin dito sa Kuala Lumpur and nagpicture muna kami sa pool bago kami umalis papunta sa venue conference. So yun lang guys, see you next vlog, bye!